Today we're working with the VTA short path wiped film distillation plant. It's fully jacketed, heating controlled through all the zones. There's 5 different temperature zones. All of your cannabis concentrate starts here. We start with the winterized cannabis concentrate. It is then pumped through this vessel, through these heated lines, deposited into the evaporation chamber here. The rotor will be spinning, which thins out the concentrate onto a thin film on the wall. What then happens is it evaporates from the inside of the wall directly to the coil down the center, which is about a 2 centimeter distance. That means that our distillation path is only 2 centimeters, which means that our heating residence time is very short. What happens is after it condenses on the coil, the desired constituents fall down this coil, they end up in this discharge arm and they're pumped out right here. The undesirables stay on the outside wall, they come down the outside, they come down this discharge arm, and they're pumped out here to the residue jar.